Welcome to BikeZone Pro. Today we delve into the legendary Toyota Hilux MK6, produced between 1997 and 2005. Known for its indestructibility, practicality, and unmatched reliability, the Hilux is a vehicle that has etched its name into the history of rugged utility. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or a tradesperson looking for a dependable workhorse, the Hilux MK6 has something to offer. Design and build. The MK6 maintained the Hilux's reputation for durability, with its robust frame and solid construction. While its exterior design remained simple and functional, it had a more refined and aerodynamic look compared to its predecessors. Available in single, extra, and double cab configurations, it catered to various customer needs. The interior, while not luxurious, offered improved comfort, better ergonomics, and practical storage options, making it ideal for both work and leisure. Engine and performance. The MK6 came with a range of engines, from the reliable 2.7-liter petrol to the efficient 2.5-liter and 3.0-liter turbo diesel options. These engines were designed for durability and fuel efficiency, making them suitable for harsh environments and long-distance travel. Coupled with either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission, the Hilux MK6 offered excellent off-road capabilities and a smooth drive on paved roads. Reliability and maintenance. What truly set the Hilux MK6 apart was its legendary reliability. Built to endure extreme conditions, it required minimal maintenance to keep running smoothly. Spare parts were widely available and affordable, further solidifying its status as a dependable workhorse. Owners often praised its ability to tackle tough terrains and heavy workloads without breaking a sweat. Legacy and popularity. The Hilux MK6 has gained a cult following worldwide, especially in regions where durability is paramount. Its reputation for being virtually indestructible has even been tested on TV shows and in real-world conditions, cementing its legendary status. Today, the MK6 remains a popular choice in the used market, valued for its versatility and toughness. Conclusion. The Toyota Hilux MK6 199720005 is more than just a pickup truck. It's a symbol of resilience and reliability. Whether you're navigating the wilderness or hauling supplies, this vehicle delivers every time. Thanks for watching BikeZone Pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive insights.